raw chocolate raspberry pie. I measured out all my ingredients and I recommend that you do so too. You can find a full list of ingredients and measurements in the link in the description. Remember to watch the video first so you can be prepared. I'm going to first make my crust. To do this, I'm going to put my coconut, cocoa powder, dates, and almonds into my food processor. I'm going to pulse this until it sticks together and is crumbly. Now, I'm going to put my crust into my pie plate. To do this, I'm going to press the crust mixture into the pie plate using my hands. Push the mixture up the sides of the pie plate. Try to make the crust even on all sides. Make sure there are no holes in the crust. Next, I'm going to make the filling for my pie. To do this, I'm going to combine my dates, chopped almonds, and coconut oil in my food processor. Some of my almonds look different because I used the almonds that were left over from making almond milk. I'm going to pulse this until it becomes a paste. My mixture looks great, so I'm going to add in my frozen raspberries. I'm going to mix this until my mixture is all combined. supposed to have a texture, so don't worry about it not being perfectly smooth. Just try to make sure there are no large pieces of any ingredient. Next, I'm going to fill my pie crust. To do this, I'm using a rubber spatula to get the filling out of the food processor. Then, I'm going to use an offset cake spatula to smooth out the filling and to make sure it's evenly spread out. You can eat it immediately, but if you refrigerate it for a few hours, it'll set and slice nicely. Make sure to keep the leftovers refrigerated. And my raw chocolate raspberry pie is done and looking delicious. Please let me know what you thought of the video in the comments and how the recipe went for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can see when new videos are added. Thank you and enjoy!